this is Ariel Mache. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. I love you all. I am coming back with a new video, and this video is basically using the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. So shout out to Ipsy, shout out for myself for paying for my Ipsy Glam bag. This is not a sponsored video, not yet. But yeah, y'all, I am using the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Some of the products, at least, and y'all, as you can see, absolutely love it. And yeah, if y'all want to see more, be sure to keep on watching. All right, so I know you're thinking, and that's okay. She has on the same thing. You're right, because I gotta get it done, and I gotta get there, and we're gonna get it done. So, all right. So basically, my Ipsy bag for the month of November came. Yeah, isn't it so cute? This is super cute. I like what they're doing. So I am a Ipsy member, and I currently I have the Glam Bag Plus. I hope that's right. But yeah, I have the Glam Bag Plus, and so I got my products in, and I want to use them. So we're gonna use them. I know my face is pretty much made up, but some of the products I can still use and still apply. So I'm just going to show you really quickly what I got. I have this Venice Fling Bailey Sarian and Estate collaboration. That's what it looks like. Hopefully I'm saying this right. It's really nice. I have this Beautiful BU. These F.A.R.A.H brushes. I always, if I can get new brushes, I will, because you can never have enough brushes. I have this Gold Fatten MD, and this is for dull and hydration. Like if you have that problem for the skin. And as I've stated before in previous videos, I do have dry sensitive skin along with oily combination skin. I know that's a lot, but I definitely do, especially like around the perimeters of my head. So this is supposed to help quench a dull and dehydrated complexion, and it's a solution mist RX, so daily nutrient facial mist. So it's really nice. I'm all for the nutrients. This is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. So you're supposed to put this on at night, but I'm not gonna lie, I tried a little bit out, and you guys probably can't tell, but I like it already. I'll be putting something on tonight. So y'all, this is Good Vibes Mascara Curling and Lash Enhancing Mascara. Yeah, this looks intimidating. Now, I normally do lash extensions, but I was like, okay, well, maybe I will do a look where I have to use like my lower lashes and see where it goes. Because y'all, if y'all look at this box. Okay. So yeah, so I am just going to use a couple of the things that I can use. Y'all, even this mascara box is hard to open. But I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm thinking that, oh, y'all, this is a whole, oh, no wonder. But whatever products I can use, I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the palette that we're going to be using today. I'm sorry. This is the Venice Fling palette we're going to be using today. And just so you guys can see how beautiful this is, look at these colors. I'm pretty sure I can incorporate a few because they're like my everyday colors. And what I'm going to do is just to try these brushes out. We're going to try the F.A.R.A.H brushes out to see what we're working with, if we can get in the packaging. Okay, so I love a good fluffy brush that I can use all over the eye. So let me see, do these have specific numbers? Okay, so this is the number 3 mint tapered brush. And I am going to go into this color here. It's called Tan Lines. And forgive me for looking down, but I love a good palette that has a mirror in it. So just going to put that all over. And that's just going to help decrease that oil that we got breaking through the skin. Okay, the next thing I am going to do is I'm going to go into this color here. It is called Toasty. Okay, so I need to, yeah, when I start to like a brush, I will use it for every part of my face if I could. So we're just going to try out a different brush here. And this is more of a bigger, fluffier brush. And this is I should have used this one all over. But where is it? Oh, okay. This is the 6-5E, and this is the large shading brush. So we're just going to go in Toasty. I'm going to go in there like this. Sorry. Tap off any excess. And I am just going to put that here. I do like this brush set, I can't lie. Very easy to blend. Very easy. So we're just going to do the same for this side. Okay. Y'all know. I love this. I might have a new everyday palette. Not even lying to you. Quick intermission before my phone dies. All right, so far, I can't lie. I like the palette and I like the brush set. As I stated before, sorry, I'm trying to open this, but as I stated before, when I like something, I stick to it. So the fact that all of these brushes are just bomb, I love that. Okay, next brush I'm going to use here is the short shading. Let me look at the other one really quick. Okay, this is okay, yeah. So I want to go into this color here, this burnt orange. It's just calling my name. And I want to use that on my lid, and I'm gonna do it with a short shading brush. So I'm just getting a little bit closer. I'm gonna tap off that excess and let's see what the color payoff is. This color was calling my name. I know, like, it seems like I'm doing it sloppy, but this is how I work. I put it on there and then I blend it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with that brush that we used earlier, and that was the 6.5E large shading, and I'm just gonna blend out any harshness. Okay. Okay, not too much harshness. And just because I want to try out more of these colors, I'm going to use SOL. And I'm going in with the Fly Wings 205. And what I love to do, if you guys ever pay attention, I love popping color right in the middle. Why do I do that? Because it creates the illusion that you have more eye space than what you do. Especially for my hooded eye gals. These are some beautiful colors here. Okay, so as you guys can see, really good color payoff. Really good color payoff. What I'm going to do next is my trusty dusty Wet n Wild gel. This says gel lip liner, but I use it for the inner parts of my eye, and it's in the color Sand Dunes. So I'm just gonna pop that on. Okay, so don't we like? It's just something about that. So I am going to go back in. I'm gonna go back in using our tapered blending brush. A little bit of fallout, but I'm gonna go back into that rose tattoo. I'm gonna do it under the eye. Shouldn't have said under the eye, but lower lash line. I love that. And just so we can blend everything together, I'm just going to put that SOL all across. So it's not too dark. F.A.R.A.H brush set. You got me. Okay, so this is the TRÈSTIQUE. This is the eyelash curler and mascara. So I'm just going to show you because I finally figured out how to do it. As you guys can see, if you flip this part down, this part will come down. Isn't it neat? Right? And then if you turn this, put that back on, then that's when you get your mascara. Oh. I don't want too much. And then because my lash extensions are a little scarce, I know they tell us not to do it. Hopefully my lash tech isn't looking at any of my videos right now. Love you. Okay, so we're just gonna use a little bit of that. And I believe in getting the best out of your palette. So in this palette, it has this color. It's called Ocean Ave here. I kind of want to use that as a highlight. Let me show you what it looks like up close. It kind of has that bluish brown, but this one does too. It's Venice Fling. So I'm not going to use a ton because I would hate to be walking around with a blue face, especially when the rest of my face is fire. Okay, you guys see that? And I'm not even using a lot. And I know that, you know, like, you can use eyeshadow on your face. Well, of course you can. It's 2020. You can be whatever you want to be. And just dab that extra. And then what I like to do is I always like to take a fluffy brush to tone it down. And I've been loving gloss, so really quick, I'm just going to use this Milani Almost Natural gloss here to not too much because it's pasty white, but I love it. And then I'm going to use this. I got this in my last Ipsy bag. This was the F.A.R.A.H lip gloss in the color Natural. This is one of my staples, my favorite. And then, like I stated before, I'm really excited about this setting spray on the face. So I want to see how it goes. Please excuse my hair. I promise I'm going to try to do something. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I definitely would use this, like, not even with just like when you put on makeup. I would actually just use this like with a regular face. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm an essential worker, so I gotta go to work and I don't do no makeup. So this will be a part of my everyday regimen. I'm gonna get my hair together and then I'll be back. All right, gang. So I threw a messy bun. It's literally a messy bun in my head. It's my favorite. I love it. Not too much effort, but y'all, this is the finished look. I love the palette. I really do like the brushes a lot. I tend to be a creature of habit, so F.A.R.A.H, let me make sure I'm saying it right. F.A.R.A.H. Kudos to you. I love your brushes. From the facial mist to the lip products, I actually plan on washing my face tonight, and I'm going to use this tonight because why not? But anyway, yeah, this is just a few products that I wanted to try out, and y'all, we got to look from it. So why the heck not? But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and join the gang, and that's on gang. And yeah, if y'all want to see something different, if y'all want to see something specific, be sure to let me know. And if y'all have not already caught up, be sure to go back and catch up on them videos. So yeah, anyway, that's all I got. I'm sorry, I'm being silly. It's late. But yeah, if you guys like this look and y'all want a more in-depth look, be sure to check out my highlight and contour video. That should be before this one. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Okay, bye.